Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. Falcon. F-A-L-C-O-N. Falcon. Bulbul. B-U-L-B-U-L. Bulbul. Hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D. Hummingbird. Manna. M-Y-N-A. Manna. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Cuckoo, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. So children, we learned the names of different birds in English along with their spellings. Now let's quickly revise them. Sparrow, pigeon, crow, duck, hen, peacock, parrot, swan, rooster, owl, kingfisher, ostrich, eagle, vulture, falcon, bulbul, hummingbird, manna, crane, woodpecker, flamingo, and cuckoo.